Number 8. The Sea-Doo Spark is a revolutionary jet ski that has transformed the personal watercraft experience by combining affordability, performance, and fun into one sleek and compact machine. Designed for both beginners and seasoned riders, the Spark stands out with its lightweight Polytech hull, making it incredibly agile and responsive on the water. Its compact size not only enhances maneuverability, but also makes it easier to tow, launch, and store compared to bulkier models. Available in 2-up and 3-up configurations, it offers options for solo adventurers or those who want to share the thrill with friends. The Spark is powered by a Rotax 900 ACE engine, known for its fuel efficiency and impressive power output, allowing riders to zip across lakes and rivers with ease. Riders can choose between 60 HP and 90 HP variants, with the more powerful version, delivering a high adrenaline ride and quicker acceleration. The intuitive handlebar controls, including intelligent brake and reverse, IBR on select models, provide precise handling and easy docking, while the playful design and vibrant color options add a touch of personality to every ride. Despite its smaller size, the Spark doesn't compromise on features. Its optional convenience package includes a front storage bin, reboarding step, and upgraded seat for added comfort. With its customizable accessories like sound systems and LinQ storage solutions, the Spark allows riders to tailor their jet ski to their lifestyle, whether they're chasing speed, cruising with friends, or exploring new waterways. What truly sets the Sea-Doo Spark apart is its ability to offer high-end fun at a lower price point, making it an attractive option for younger riders, families, or anyone new to the world of personal watercraft. It's built with sustainability in mind, using recyclable materials and offering a more fuel-conscious ride. The minimalist yet sturdy design not only gives the Spark a futuristic look, but also ensures durability for years of summer fun. Ideal for casual weekend adventures, spontaneous water fun, or even as a gateway to more serious watercraft sports, the Spark delivers a thrilling ride that's both accessible and unforgettable. Whether you're carving through the waves or simply enjoying a relaxing cruise on a sunny day, the Sea-Doo Spark is designed to create lasting memories with every splash. Number 7. The Yamaha FX Cruiser HO is a premium personal watercraft designed to deliver a perfect balance of power, comfort, and advanced technology, making it a top choice for riders seeking both thrill and luxury on the water. At the heart of this jet ski lies a naturally aspirated, high-output 1.8-liter Yamaha marine engine, renowned for its exceptional reliability, smooth performance, and impressive fuel efficiency. It provides strong acceleration and top-end speed that satisfies experienced riders, while remaining stable and manageable for those newer to high-performance watercraft. The FX Cruiser HO's sleek, aggressive design is more than just eye-catching. It's also engineered for stability and precision handling, thanks to Yamaha's industry-leading hull and deck design. The craft's size offers a spacious ride, and its multi-texture cruiser seat is ergonomically designed for comfort during long-distance excursions, easily accommodating up to 3 passengers. Integrated footwell drains keep the deck dry, enhancing comfort and safety during extended rides. Yamaha's RIDE dual-throttle control system allows for intuitive operation, with the right handle controlling acceleration and the left handle managing deceleration and reverse, enabling effortless maneuvering, even in tight docking situations. The full-featured Kinect's touchscreen display brings advanced information and control to the rider's fingertips, allowing access to speed control, drive modes, security settings, and more, while Bluetooth-capable audio and USB charging ports add entertainment and convenience to your ride. The generous storage compartments, including a watertight glove box, under-seat storage, and a large bow compartment, make it easy to bring along everything from snacks to gear for a full day on the water. The FX Cruiser HO also features Yamaha's exclusive Nano XL2 technology in the hull and deck, which reduces weight without sacrificing durability, resulting in a nimble yet robust machine. With its extended rear platform and reboarding step, getting back on the ski after a swim or fall is effortless, and the tow hook makes it ideal for water sports like tubing and wakeboarding. Every detail of the FX Cruiser HO is built with the rider's experience in mind, offering a luxurious and powerful ride that's perfect for both adrenaline-packed adventures and laid-back cruises. Whether you're carving sharp turns at high speed or exploring calm waters with family and friends, The Yamaha FX Cruiser HO combines elegance, performance, and innovation in one of the most refined jet skis on the market. Number 6, the Sea-Doo RXP-X 325 is a trailblazing racing jet ski that pushes the boundaries of performance, comfort, and tech integration into a seamless experience built for thrill seekers. At its core lies a supercharged 1.63-liter Rotax Ace engine delivering a staggering 325 horsepower, rocketing the craft from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.4 seconds, times comparable to high-end sports cars. Its race-inspired T3R fiberglass hull slices through rough water with precision, while shark-gill mid-hull design and hydraulic steering dampers let riders dial in handling response to match their aggression on the buoy course. Tailored for controlling every corner, the adjustable X sponsons and Ergolock R cockpit lock you into the ride, delivering a visceral connection and rock-solid footing as you power through turns. Launch control and variable trim systems give you the edge off the line, while the sealed, polished impeller sustains blistering acceleration with no mid-ride sag. Beyond raw speed, the RXP-X offers race-grade comfort and convenience. A full-color 7.8-inch LCD with BRP Connect, Bluetooth and USB, optional premium audio, tow hook, large swim platform, LinQ storage attachments, and convenient IBR braking and reverse control for quick pit stop maneuvers. Its sleek carbon fiber finishes, bold metallic tan and lava red color schemes, wide-angle mirrors, and stainless polished impeller add both style and substance. With 18.5 gal fuel capacity and over 40 gal of storage, this two-seater is built to dominate day-long races or adrenaline-laden runs, offering a pro-level ride that blurs the line between watercraft and high-octane race machine, perfect for pushing limits and carving unforgettable laps. Number 5, the Kawasaki Jet Ski Ultra 310LX is the epitome of luxury and power in the world of personal watercraft, combining breathtaking performance with high-end comfort and advanced technology for an unmatched riding experience. At its core is a supercharged and intercooled 498cc inline-4 engine, delivering an astonishing 310 horsepower, the highest in its class, making it one of the most powerful production jet skis on the market. This immense power is managed by a deep V-hull that offers superb handling and stability even in rough water, providing both confidence and control whether you're carving sharp turns or cruising across open stretches. The 310LX is more than just raw power. It's a premium touring machine built for long rides with unmatched comfort. It features a luxurious 3-passenger luxury seat with bolstered support and heat-resistant materials, allowing for extended rides without fatigue. The ride quality is further enhanced by Kawasaki's Ergo Fit system, allowing riders to adjust the handlebar position for optimal comfort and control. One of the standout features is the Jet Sound integrated audio system, delivering high-quality, sound-through waterproof speakers and Bluetooth connectivity, turning every ride into a personal concert on the water. Riders will also appreciate the large, easy-to-read digital display that provides vital information such as speed, RPM, fuel level, trip data, and even water temperature, all clearly visible in bright sunlight. The 310MLX comes equipped with Kawasaki's intelligent cruise control, no wake mode, and a 5-way adjustable trim system, giving riders complete control over their experience, whether they're seeking performance or relaxed cruising. Storage is generous, with over 56 gallons of total space, including a large sealed front compartment and smaller accessible areas for essentials. Reboarding is effortless thanks to the rear step and extended swim platform, making it ideal for water sports and family outings. With its aggressive styling, LED accent lighting, and refined paintwork, the Kawasaki 310LX doesn't just perform like a beast, it looks the part too. Designed for those who demand the best of both worlds, ferocious speed and first-class comfort, the 310LX sets a new benchmark for what a luxury performance jet ski should be. Whether you're pushing the throttle for adrenaline-pumping acceleration or enjoying a smooth ride on calm waters, the Kawasaki 310LX delivers an experience that's as bold as it is unforgettable. Number 4, the Kawasaki STX 160LX is a well-balanced 3-passenger jet ski that blends spirited performance with touring comfort and modern convenience. Its heart is a potent, naturally aspirated 1,498cc inline-4 engine featuring digital fuel injection and electronic throttle valves, giving lively acceleration, smooth throttle response, efficient fuel economy, and sporty character on the water. The jet ski is built on an agile composite deep V hull that delivers confident handling and a stable ride even in chop, complemented by Kawasaki's smart steering system for intuitive control and easy maneuverability. Touring riders will appreciate the generous 78-liter fuel tank, class-leading capacity, paired with electronic cruise control and an ECO indicator, enabling extended outings without worry. Comfort has been thoughtfully engineered through the spacious luxury multi-tone deck mat, relaxed ergonomic seating for 3, extended rear platform, cup holders, and a slide and lift seat that conceals underseat storage, perfect for day trips with friends or family. Additionally, the integrated JetSound Bluetooth audio system and USB port allow riders to enjoy playlists and stay connected while cruising. With a robust 35 gallons of storage, nearly 500 lb load capacity, and thoughtful safety features like an immobilizer and one-touch no-wake mode, the STX 160LX stands out as a versatile, user-friendly personal watercraft that equally caters to weekend cruisers and eager adventurers. Number 3, the Taiga Orca represents a bold redefinition of personal watercraft, arriving as the world's first fully electric jet ski and merging next-level thrill with environmental mindfulness. Powering it is Taiga's proprietary Radix Electrics tractive unit, delivering up to 160 horsepower from a 120 kW motor and a sealed 23 to 25 kWh lithium-ion battery pack that sits low in the sleek composite or optional carbon fiber hull, pushing the Orca to speeds of around 60 km/h, while offering an astonishingly quiet ride free from fuel smells or engine noise. Number 2. The Kawasaki SX-R 160 is a reinvention of the stand-up jet ski, harnessing the heart of a 1,498cc inline-4, 4-stroke engine to deliver astonishing acceleration and torque in a lightweight, agile package, making it the fastest accelerating production. Its rider-active V-shape hull, extended and widened compared to previous generation models, places the engine low and centered, offering exceptional cornering precision, stability in chop, and easy reboarding when at rest. To enhance rider experience, Kawasaki has integrated splash deflectors carved into the hull to cut down water spray, and included a spacious deck with hydro turf mats and padded handle pole for comfort and traction. Number 1, the Sea-Doo Fish Pro Scout is the ultimate adventure-ready watercraft, designed to seamlessly blend fishing capability with family fun, all showcased beautifully in a 7-minute video narrative. Powering the Scout is a reliable Rotax 1630 Ace, engine delivering 130 HP for crisp acceleration and efficient cruising, ideal for heading to your favorite fishing spot or exploring on the go. Beneath its hull lies a GTI-derived Polytech Gen 2 platform that balances lightweight agility with confident stability in varying water conditions, providing a ride that's at once playful and predictable. The Scout stands apart with an angler-focused gear set, included Garmin 6 DAO, EchoMap, GPS, Fish Finder, 9 preset trolling speeds to free your hands for casting, integrated rod holders, and a 13.5 gal LinQ cooler that doubles as a work surface. You'll appreciate the intelligent debris-free IDF pump system that clears clogs with a single button press, a thoughtful touch that keeps you fishing longer without interruption. Storage is abundant and versatile, with a massive 38 gal front compartment with watertight phone cradle, JARC USB, plus room under the seat and on the extended swim platform outfitted with LinQ mounts for additional gear.